Nemraj Sunda book, quick revision, agronomy portion, important points. Mycorrhiza is a symbiotic association between fungus and root of higher plant. Worm, vascular Herboscurium mycorrhiza is used as P-solubilizing fungi in plant root. Cereals are deficient in which amino acid? It is lysine. Amino acid which is deficient in legume is methionine. Power tiller is most suitable for cultivation of paddy. Ammonium polyphosphate contains 15% nitrogen, 62% P2O5. Tetrazolium test is done for viability of seed. In wet nursery of rice, level of water is maintained 5 cm. The optimum depth of puddling in rice is 5 cm. Ultraviolet, ultraviolet radiation are absorbed by ozone layer. First Indian director of IARI is Dr. B. Viswanath. The most critical stage of irrigation in wheat is CRI stage 21 days after sowing. Zooming is practiced in rice cultivation in eastern part of India. Basic object of sustainable agriculture is to maintain ecological balance. The plant growing in salt water is halophytes. Crop canopy temperature is measured by infrared thermometer. Reclamation disease, it is due to deficiency of copper. Hormone related to drought tolerance is abscisic acid. Contribution of livestock in agriculture is 29.7%. Hormone used at herbicide 2,4-D and dicamba. Element available in both anion and cation is nitrogen. Dormancy breaking hormone is gibberellic acid. Ringworm disease is caused by fungus. Monsoon responsible for cause rainfall in Tamil Nadu is northeast monsoon. Stress hardening in plant can be achieved by abscisic acid. The maximum permissible limit of biuret in urea is 1.5%. Carbon content in organic matter is 58%. Biofertilizer used in wheat crop is azotobacter. Biofertilizer used in sorghum and grasses is azospirillum. Vertical mulch is used in which type of soil is black cotton soil. Criteria of essentiality were given by Arnon and Stout in 1939. Optimum spacing of wheat crop is 22.5 cm line to line. Non-traditional area cultivating wheat is Eastern India. Major P fertilizer commonly used in India is DAP. State having minimum BPL population is Punjab. Maximum BPL population Bihar. Biofertilizer more suited in sugar cane is azotobacter. Depth of sowing of soybean crop is 3 cm. First variety of rice introduced in India is Taichu native 1964 માં introduce કરવામાં આવી. Indian mustard is known as Brassica juncea. Explosive fertilizer is ammonium nitrate. The most prominent soil group in India is alluvial soil. In single superphosphate, sulfur contain 12%. Which micronutrient is deficient in Indian soil is zinc. Which macronutrient deficient in Indian soil is nitrogen. Spike tooth harrow is a type of implement, is a secondary type of implement. Most widely used material for correcting soil acidity is lime. Daira cultivation method is follow in cucurbits. Daira cultivation cucurbit follow થાય છે. CN ratio of organic matter is 10:1. National Seed Act passes in 1966. National Seed Corporation established in 1963. Root promoting hormone is IBA, indole butyric acid. Flower and fruit setting hormone is naphthalic acetic acid NAA. રૂટ માટે IBA, ફ્લાવર અને ફ્રૂટ સેટિંગ માટે NAA. બેન્ચ ટેરેસિંગ ઇઝ ડન વેન સ્લોપ ઇઝ 15%. એક્યુરેટ 16 થી 33% સ્લોપ હોય ત્યારે બેન્ચ ટેરેસિંગ થાય છે. એટલે 15%થી વધારે સ્લોપ બેન્ચ ટેરેસિંગમાં હોવો જોઈએ. માસ પર યુનિટ વોલ્યુમ ઇઝ કોલ્ડ બલ્ક ડેન્સિટી. Disc plow is used when soil is tough. First man-made cereal is critical. Cheapest N containing fertilizer is urea. First product of urea hydrolysis is ammonium carbamate. NABARD was set up on recommendation of Sivaraman Committee. Free living nitrogen fixing organism is Azotobacter. The fruit of mustard is known as silica. Supplementary irrigation is a life-saving irrigation. Major agriculture important commodity એમાં edible oil સૌથી વધારે ઇમ્પોર્ટ કરવામાં આવે છે અને એક્સપોર્ટમાં સૌથી વધુ રાઈસ. Lunasri is the variety of super rice. Plant which separate male and female flower on same plant is monoecious plant, example maize. National Biodiversity Board situated at New Delhi. Beaufort scale is used to measure wind force in sea. One standard atmosphere is equal to 10-13.25 MB. Dieback shoot occur due to deficiency of copper. Occurrence of grey spot on leaves, it is due to deficiency of manganese. Most destructive disease of sugarcane is red rot of sugarcane. Potatoes are born on stolon. Potato are modified form of stem. Sowing of sugarcane in trench method helpful to prevent lodging. For seed purpose, carrot is grown as biennial. Boron is harmful to plant when concentration is more than 3 ppm. Which crop has maximum productivity among cereal is maize. It is known as queen of cereal. Kaolin is an anti-transparent, reflecting time anti-transparent. Psychocell is a growth retardant. Family of Sesamum. Family of Sesamum is Pedaliaceae. Family of jute is Tiliaceae. Exhaustive family of crop is Gramineae Poaceae. Origin of maize is Mexico. Origin of China. Origin of soybean is China. Origin of tobacco is Mexico. State having highest area under summer maize is Bihar. Indian Journal of Agriculture Science is published by ICAR. Yellowing of tea leaves may due to deficiency of sulfur. ટીની અંદર યલો લીવ્સ થઈ જાય એ સલ્ફરની ડિફિશિયન્સી ફિઝિયોલોજિકલ ડિસઓર્ડર છે. ગ્રીન હાઉસ ગેसेस that are released from paddy field is methane. Edible part of sweet potato Ipomia batata is adventitious root. Carbon dating technique is used to determine age of fossils. Irrigation method which is suitable for saline soil is flooding method. Element contributing to the disease and drought tolerance is potassium. Element involved energy transport and storage in plant is phosphorus. At present, how many nutrients are termed as essential to certain nutrient? According to Arnon and Stout, how many nutrients are termed as essential element for plant is soil nutrient. Apical bud dominance is caused due to auxin hormone. Highest consumption of potassium fertilizer in Maharashtra. Highest production of cereal in the world is wheat. Seed rate of sorghum is 9 થી 12 kg પ્રતિ હેક્ટર. Desuckering is the important practice of tobacco. Name the weed which has first biologically controlled Lantana camera. State where seed law are adopted, Karnataka. Soil moisture tension directly measured by tensiometer. Evapotranspiration is measured by lysimeter. Partial flame is used to measure water flow. Flood irrigation method is suitable for crop is rice and jute. Fertilizer application through irrigation is known as fertigation. One of the most important cultural practice in rice field is puddling. Post-harvest losses in cereal account for 10%. Saltation is the process of wind erosion. Irrigation efficiency of loamy soil is 70% and it is highest. Sowing pattern used in dry land is broadcasting. Most efficient method of irrigation is drip irrigation. Extensively grown pulse crop in India is chickpea. Relative humidity measured by psychrometer. Crop growing for conservation of soil moisture is known as mulch crop. Example of erosion permitting crop maize. Example of erosion permitting crop is maize. Example of erosion resisting crop is cowpea. The herbicide used as pre-plant incorporation is flucloraline. Example of C3 with Bathua, which is known as lamb's quarter. Botanical name of 2-row barley is Hordeum distichon. Name of 6-row barley is Hordeum vulgare. In which crop ARCRP was started? Maize 1957. What is the optimum plant population for BT cotton is 1000 plant प्रति hectare. Drospi disease in human is being caused by the weed is Argemon mexicana જેને સત્યાંશી કહેવાય છે. Crops suitable for soil having pH 4 to 6 is rice, tea and potato. Red hemoglobin in root nodule is responsible for transport of O2. Annual rainfall of Rajasthan is about 500 થી 575 mm. Aminophilic plant is a sugarcane and rice. Country having 100% of the crop area under irrigation is Egypt. Country having highest irrigation efficiency is Israel. Country having highest irrigated area is India. Optical wavelength in remote sensing is 0.3 to 15 micrometer. India is the first country to develop use of hybrid bajra and first variety is HB1 released in 1965. In India, which crop is maximum area under irrigation? Wheat. Most extensively grown fruit crop in the world is mango. Pusa gent is the variety of berseem, napier grass and papaya. The type of soil water which most useful for plant is capillary water. At equator, day and night are equal. At equator, day and night are always equal. Atmospheric pressure is always decreased with altitude. Horizontal heat transfer to warmer area to cooler area is known as Clothline effect. Vertical effect, in which effect vertical heat transfer from warmer area to cooler area is oasis effect. The enzyme of nitrogen reduction is nitrogenase. The element of nitrate reduction is molybdenum. Most of the field crop require pH range for optimum growth of 6.5 to 7. Hence cultivated mostly crop are acidic in nature. The depth of water required by crop is known as delta. The area irrigated by 1 cubic discharge of water is duty. The period in day in which irrigation is supplied to the crop is base period. Rancidity in sunflower it is due to oxidation. Varieties of black gram are T9 and Pant U19. Famous variety of moth bean is RMO 40, RMO 257. Elite variety of mung bean is Pusa Baisakhi and SML 658. 1% solution in 500 liter water is 500 ml. Bioclimatic law is proposed by Hopkins. Chemical softener are known as herbicide antidote, example Na, used in maize. Crop which has highest potassium uptake is potato. Low pressure area near equator is known as doldrum. Triacontanol is a growth stimulant obtained from leaves of lucerne. Next important point related to agriculture. Tillage increase the water holding capacity and infiltration of the soil but reduce bulk density. Wetland plough is the smallest among wooden plough. It is used to puddle soil. Efficiency is 0.1% for 8 hours. Blade harrow is known as bhakhar, used for weed control before sowing. The sprinkler system of irrigation provide protection from cold by release latent heat of fusion. Splitting of pod or fruit in characteristic manner at maturity is known as dehiscence. Example, pods of pulse. Continuous consumption of lathyrus cause disease is known as lathyrism. Is grain contain BOAA, benzoxalic acetic acid, a neurotoxin. Fertilizer which prefer grow succeeding crop in green manure is phosphatic fertilizer. A cattle consuming grasses of low magnesium content suffer from hypomagnesemia. It is called grass tetany. A practice of grazing animal on public land, it is known as ranching. Weather is a state or condition of atmosphere at given place in given instant of time. Recently, scientists separate germ of maize corn in manufacturing contraceptive. India is ranked first in production and consumption of sugar in the world. In tobacco contribute maximum excise revenue among agriculture commodity in India. India is only country to have developed hybrid cotton commercially. Karnataka is the largest producer of coffee in the country. China is the largest producer and consumer of tobacco in the world, whereas India ત્રીજા નંબર ઉપર. Phenyl mercuric acetate, a chemical used in agriculture crop to reduce transpiration. Jowar is known as camel crop or king of coarsest grain. India is the second country after China to commercialize the hybrid rice technology. HD Treviogante variety of wheat contribute maximum productivity during green revolution in India. Plant rectangularity is equal to plant distance upon row to row distance. In water erosion, 3 meter deep, more than 18 meter wide gully is known as small gully. 3 થી 9 મીટર ડીપ 18 મીટર or more width હોય અને slope 8 થી 15 હોય is known as medium gully. The direction from which wind are coming is windward side. Agronomic measures are used to reduce erosion where slope is less than 2%. Bench terracing usually practiced on slope ranging from 16 થી 33%. The highest award present to agricultural scientists in a country is the Rafi Ahmad Kidwai Award. Name the plant which produce food themselves through photosynthesis is phototrophs, autotrophs or producer. Sui generis used in great proposal, Latin word a system of its own. In northern India, sometimes rain takes place in winter due to western disturbance. Total agriculture credit, the contribution of commercial bank is highest 74%, followed by cooperative bank 17% and rural bank 9% in 2009. Agriculture come into existence 7500 BC when cultivation of wheat and barley started. Minimum support price of various crops are recommended by Commission on Agriculture Costs and Prices CACP at present 22 mandated crop, 14 kharif, 6 rabi crop and 2 commercially crop, jute and copra are covered in MSP, while sugarcane is covered in under fair and remunerative price. Accumulation of nutrition in lake or pond due to human intervention or natural process is eutrophication. India is meeting 85% of urea requirement through endogenous production depend heavily on imports for its phosphatic and potash requirement. In India, urea is being provided to the farmer at a statutory notified MRP, while phosphatic and potassic fertilizer concern as government implementing nutrient-based subsidy scheme. Under this scheme, subsidy is provided each grade of subsidized P and K fertilizer depending upon nutrient content. Over the year, contribution of agriculture GDP in Indian economies has been decreasing. In which 5-year plan agroclimatic regional planning in India was initiating in 7th 5-year plan 1988. Nitrogen fixation in rice field carried out by blue-green algae with water from azolla. The pattern of planting which has maximum plant population is cuboidal pattern. Cultivation of such crop which have different natural habit and zero competition is parallel cropping. The variety of wheat which is resistant to all three rust is Choti Larma. How many times ratoon crop of sugarcane is advisable is one time. Cultivation of two or more crop on different height simultaneously on certain piece of land with certain period is known as multistorial cropping. Nursery area required for seedling of 1 hectare of rice field is 0.1 hectare. Tip burn of paddy it is due to reduce in O2 and N2 under submerged condition. Red and purple color of maize leaves due to deficiency of phosphorus. રેડ અને પર્પલ કલર હોય મેઇઝમાં તો એ ફોસ્ફરસની ડિફિશિયન્સીથી થાય છે. સેન્ટર ઓફ ઓરિજિન વેવિલોન ગીવ 8 સેન્ટર ઓફ ઓરિજિન રાઇઝનું છે સાઉથ ઇસ્ટ એશિયા, શુગર કેન ન્યૂ ગુનિયા, વીટ સાઉથ વેસ્ટ એશિયા ટુર્કી, ગ્રામનું છે સાઉથ વેસ્ટ એશિયા, મેઇઝ સેન્ટ્રલ અમેરિકા મેક્સિકો, ટોબેકો સેન્ટ્રલ અમેરિકા, ગ્રાઉન્ડનટ બ્રાઝિલ, મગનું ઇન્ડિયા, પોટેટો સાઉથ અમેરિકા. નેક્સ્ટ ટી ચાઇના, સોયાબીન ચાઇના, મસ્ટાર્ડ ચાઇના, કાઉપી આફ્રિકા, કોટન ઇન્ડિયા, બ્રિંજલ ઇન્ડિયા, અરહર જુવાર અને બાજરા આનું છે આફ્રિકા. ટર્મ રિલેટેડ ટુ એગ્રીકલ્ચર એન્ડ એગ્રોનોમિસ્ટ. ટર્મ ઇરિગેશન એગ્રોનોમી given by NG Dastane, cropping system by SS Baines. Irrigation engineering by Micheli, slow release nitrogen fertilizer Dr. Rajendra Prasad. CRI stage of irrigation BL Bhardwaj, functional nutrient by Nicholas. Essentiality of nutrient given by Arnon and Stout, agrobiology by Wilcox. IW upon CPE ratio given by Parihar, transplanting in Bajra given by Gautam. Coefficient of effectiveness is given by Nikiporovic, H4 hybrid of cotton CT Patel. Jaya is the Indian variety of rice given by Dr. Sastri, law of minimum Dr. J.V. Liebig, law of limiting factor Blackman, increase yield nitrogen law Wilcox, leaf area index given by Watson, nutrient mobility concept by Brace, A value concept by Dean and Friend, harvesting index by Donald, photoperiodism concept by Gardner and Allard, thermoperiodism by F. Wendt, vernalization by Lysenko, antibiotic penicillin by Alexander Fleming, rhizobium or Bacillus reticola by Benjamin, Rothamsted experiment station by Lowes and Gilbert. Father of different field plot experiment, father of different field, father of field plot experiment J.B. Boussingault, father of pedology Dr. V.V. Dokuchev, father of golden revolution K.L. Chadda, father of tillage or weed science Jethro Tull, father of soil testing technology M.L. Tung, father of soil microbiology S.N. Vinogradesky, father of agriculture chemistry J.V. Liebig. યુનિટ 1 એગ્રોનોમી નેક્સ્ટ વિડીયોમાં કવર કરશું. થેન્ક યુ.